PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC refrigerant recharge in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses restore efficient cooling system performance. Low refrigerant levels can reduce cooling capacity, increase energy consumption, and place unnecessary strain on your air conditioner. Our experienced technicians inspect your system for leaks, verify refrigerant levels, and recharge your AC according to manufacturer specifications. We ensure your system operates safely, efficiently, and reliably for lasting comfort. Prompt refrigerant service can improve cooling performance, reduce utility costs, and extend equipment life. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC refrigerant recharge services that keep your home or business cool all summer. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC refrigerant recharge near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can low refrigerant damage my air conditioner? Yes, operating with low refrigerant can strain the compressor, reduce cooling efficiency, and increase energy consumption. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania provides professional refrigerant recharge services to restore proper system operation and help prevent expensive HVAC component damage. How do I know if my AC needs a refrigerant recharge? Signs include warm air from vents, longer cooling cycles, frozen evaporator coils, weak airflow, and higher energy bills. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania performs thorough system inspections to determine whether your air conditioner requires a refrigerant recharge or additional repairs. What is your service office for AC refrigerant recharge? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC refrigerant recharge Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/